Hello everybody and welcome to another video on high altitude investing. Today is Monday and we are going to be running over Bitcoin SV and why I think it has a good chance of recovering. A lot of people have been asking me, oh Dallin, Bitcoin SV, you've been talking about it a lot lately. You mentioned that it was going to drop 25-30%. It fell about 40. What are we going to do? Is this a time that we should be buying, selling, getting out? What's going on here with Bitcoin SV? So that's what today's video is all about. We're going to be talking about how a coin moves, especially after breaking out of price discovery like this, and kind of my thoughts on, people that are trying to short the market, people that are trying to go long, and all the different scenarios. So make sure that you smash that like button for me right now because I am uploading 5 videos a week all through 2020. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell and comment down below where you're tuning in from in this beautiful world. Let's get straight into the Bitcoin SV analysis. Oh, Bitcoin SV, happy Monday, by the way, everybody. I know that Mondays are sometimes not the best days for people, but for me, I think Mondays are actually a pretty awesome day. I like to be very optimistic about it. And the real reason for that is because Monday is another week that we get to start going and start making videos. And this is really what makes me tick every single day. So thank you guys for tuning into these and making it so that my Mondays can be a little bit better. Bitcoin SV is one that I have been hyping up and talking about, and for good reason. And I actually predicted this move that we would see a large breakout in this coin because of an Elliott 1, 2, 3 wave structure. And so now people are wondering, okay, Dallin, what do we do now? I either made money or I never got into the market, but I'm interested in it, or I saw that it pumped a whole bunch and I was thinking about shorting it. So I see a lot of people all over crypto Twitter right now, and a lot of even bigger names too. People are starting to short Bitcoin SV, and they're doing a trading plan, something like this, where they're coming around into the market, they're grabbing a short position tool, they're putting a short trade right here, they're putting a little stop loss right here, and they're putting a target down here. And so a lot of people are expecting a drop way back down here, and this is possible, like this could always happen in the market. I'm not going to say, you'll never have me say this is impossible to happen, because everything's probability. And so with that being said, the probability is what you really want to be aware of. How probable is this of happening? How probable of this is of not happening? And so for me, the reason that I would never take a trade like this is because we were in a horizontal consolidation range for a long time. We are consolidating in a horizontal range since 2018, towards the end of the year, all through 2019 and into the beginning of 2020, before we finally pushed up through and broke out. So this is price discovery. What does price discovery mean? Well, price discovery means that we've never been above these prices right here. This horizontal, this resistance level of like 250 bucks. And we are now above them. And so this is all new prices. This is all discovering new places. We don't have any resistance formed at all. There's no historical resistance in this market. And so when I think about a coin that breaks up into price discovery mode and it has a 1, 2, 3, 4 Elliott wave structure, I think more in terms of buying opportunities. Now, is that buying opportunity right here, right now? Yes, I think that it is a place that it's providing opportunity at that 50% Fibonacci level. Now, it wouldn't also surprise me at all if this makes a leg up right here, stops everybody out that was trying to short this at horizontal resistance right here, comes up, stops everybody out, hits the 618, and then continues. That wouldn't surprise me at all. But either way, the time is in my view, because of price discovery, like what I was talking about earlier, and because of the Elliott wave structure of a 1, 2, 3, I'm really looking at getting in on that 4 at this point. And this 4 could be at the 50%. So putting small position, if you aren't in on BSV at all and you've been thinking about doing it, although this is not financial advice, this is just my perspective for you guys to consider. This 50% area, this 50% Fibonacci area is buying a dip. You know, you're buying the dip in this market. and if we go to the 618, you're buying an even juicier dip that's closer to support. So this right here, I don't know why people are shorting Bitcoin SV and longing Bitcoin. That doesn't make any sense to me. If Bitcoin is going to go up, and by the way, Bitcoin is seeing a very, very nice recovery at this point. If Bitcoin is going to go up, then I personally think Bitcoin SV is going to follow along with it, if not even lead the market a little bit. And if you look at the Bitcoin prices right now, I'll just kind of delete this. If you look at the Bitcoin prices right now, we're heading up to major horizontal resistance, but we actually bounced off of the support level very strongly, which used to be downward pointing resistance. The support level that we found used to be our resistance. And so we're building strength in the market right now with Bitcoin. And it is still bouncing. It's still bounced off that 618 in the bigger time frames perfectly, the 618 level. And so what I'm really watching with Bitcoin SV is for Bitcoin SV to do what Bitcoin does and probably see continuation and make higher highs, higher lows after this. And now you guys already know my longer term target for BSV is 1100 per coin. I made a video all about that. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4, this 5 wave might not make it there before another little correction, another 30, 25, 30, 40% drop like we saw, another correction at some point. But I do think that it's very possible we could be worth $600, $700 in this little 5 wave. And then of course in the bigger time frames, the bigger Elliott wave structure, we have 1, 2, and then that will be, wherever the top of this wave will be the 3, 4, and that 5 wave will take us to that $1,100 level. So we're still mapping out our Elliott waves. We still have a very, very nice pattern. I think it's crazy personally from my view, from a probability perspective, to be shorting a coin that just broke out with as much volume as it did and is in price discovery. You really, when something is in price discovery, you don't know how high it's going to go. Who knows? Maybe that 5th wave will be an extended 5th wave and we go all the way up to my original target of 1100. That can happen, especially in the crypto markets. We've seen stuff like that happen over and over. So shorting price discovery, not my favorite thing to do. And this is for me a lot more of a buying opportunity. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and for the people that have been looking at getting into BSV, maybe this one will be useful for you guys. Make sure that you comment down below your thoughts on this coin. I am very excited to see where prices take us from here, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow's video as well. So make sure you hit that like button for me, hit the subscribe button, because I'm uploading 5 videos a week, and I will catch you guys in the next videos. As always, stay profitable out there.